Have you ever wondered how your computer seems to understand your every command, whether it's typing on a keyboard or moving a mouse? Well, it's all thanks to a fascinating dance of data flow between your computer and its input and output devices. Imagine, if you will, a bustling city where data is the lifeblood and input and output devices are the citizens. In this city, each citizen has a specific job, and they all work together to keep the city running smoothly. The keyboard, for instance, is like a diligent secretary, recording each keystroke and sending these notes or data along the data highway to the computer's central processing unit, the city's mayor, if you will. The CPU, taking in this information, processes it and decides on the next course of action. Then there's the mouse, a nimble dancer, whose every move translates into signals that the computer interprets as instructions. A slide to the left, a swift click. Each movement is a message that the computer understands and responds to. Now, let's talk about the output devices. The monitor, the city's billboard, displays the results of the CPU's decisions based on the input data. Whether it's a line of text or a vibrant picture, the monitor communicates the computer's actions back to you. Then there are printers and speakers, the town criers of our city, making the computer's responses tangible. The printer transforming digital data into physical documents, and speakers turning data into sound are crucial for us to experience the digital world in our physical reality. And let's not forget the unsung heroes, the drivers. These are the interpreters, the facilitators of this intricate dance, translating device language into something the computer can understand and vice versa. So, in this grand city, input devices like keyboards and mice communicate your instructions to the computer. The computer processes these instructions and then uses output devices like monitors, printers, and speakers to display the results. The drivers ensure this communication is smooth and effective, and in essence, through a complex but precise dance of data flow, your input and output devices make your interaction with the computer seamless. It's a fascinating process, happening right under our fingertips, enabling us to explore the vast digital world.